there. It's minus 5 over here, right? How did we do that? What do we do first? We'll find where our function, x5 mode, is 0. So, put it equal to 0. So what value do we get for x? We get 5. And where does our x range from 2 to x equals 8? Right? So, should I create this I here? Our x is 2 to 8, and our 5 is somewhere in the middle. So, we have two intervals. One is our 2 to 5 interval, and the other is our 5 to 8 interval. So, we'll break this 2 to 8 interval into two intervals. So, do two breaks. So, let's take I from here, and what will our new I be? Integrate 2 to 5, or what is 2 to 5? M to x5, okay? dx plus integrate 5 to 8. So what is 5 to 8? M to x5 with respect to dx. Okay? Got this idea? Why did we do this? Why did we break these two intervals after we got it? Right? Now quickly tell me, in this interval between 2 and 5, will our x5 be positive or negative? Check it, pick any value between 2 and 5. Between 2 and 5, we get 1. If I take 1, we'll get 1 somewhere in the middle. If I put 1 here, the value of x is 1. So 1 to 5 minus 4. So, there's a negative value inside the mode. What do we do whenever a negative value comes inside the mode? We multiply by a minus to remove the minus. So multiply by a minus. What will we get over 2 to 5? 5 dx of x, okay? We've repeated this point many times, even in the previous question. If you still want to see it, look it up. Whenever x less than 0, the value inside the mode is less than 0. Then we multiply by a minus to make it positive. What was x here? It was x5 less than 0. That's why we multiplied by a minus. That's why this minus came here. Now let's talk about it. In this interval, pick any value between 5 and 8. Pick any value, 5.5, 6, 7, any number you choose. You'll get a value greater than 1. If I pick 6 here, it'll be 6 equals 5. 1 is a positive value. What do we do when it's a positive value? We write the value as it is. We don't have to multiply by a minus. We multiply by a minus only when it's less than 0. Now we can integrate it easily. Yes and no, so do it. So what is the integration of minus x? It is x squared, 2. What will happen to 5? It will be 5x. And where do we have the limit from? 2 to 5. Then plus of plus here is also the same to the same of x. So x squared, 2 and minus 5x. And where does the limit from? 5 to 8. Now wherever x is, first you will put the upper limit which is 5 there. So I made a bracket here. What will I get inside? 5 whole square, 2 minus 5 times 5 equals 25. Inside the minus bracket, put 2 wherever x is. 2 whole square, 2 and 4 halves minus 10. Then close the bracket. Then there is plus, so wherever x is, put 8. So, 8 times 8 equals 64. So 64 halves minus 4 equals 5 times 8 equals 40. Then wherever there is minus x, put 5 there. So 25 halves will come from here. And what will come here? Minus 25 will come. Close the bracket. You just solve this. It is plus minus. You will do it yourself. I will leave it for you to do, and the answer that comes will be 9, okay. You check this. We have to do plus minus. It is a small thing. You can do it, okay.